like okay, so this one, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my right arm is on the outside plane, but my left arm is on the inside plane. So I'm just doing it asymmetrically. Oh, now I'll do, let's see if I, oh, yes. Oh, no, wait, oh, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now my right hand is going on the inside plane, and my left hand is going on the outside plane. So they're all two petal flowers. It's just a matter of where your placement is relative to inside or outside plane. And again, like I said, the only place that's really going to matter is like if you have some choreographic need to be on the inside or the outside, or if you're taking like photography, you'd be able to tell the difference between the path of the circle at that point. So, and that's only if your photographer's effective enough to capture it. Well, I mean, I've worked with hundreds of photographers. Not all of them have the same skills. Just like not all poi artists have the same skills. So, because they can't always see the pattern, because they don't spin. I remember doing multiple photo shoots where I was trying to get them to capture a yin-yang, because a yin-yang is actually created by capturing like from there to there. Okay, half of a two-petal flower. Okay, but that's like super fast with the shutter at the exact right time, or else you don't capture it. And so different. So I was actually trying to like call it out every time it was like a version of it, and not everybody was able to capture one.